Hi folks, I have brought the ultimate starter kit which you can use to build desktop application using Electron. So this particular application comes with macOS distribution, Apple distribution and Linux distribution code base in the package.json. So let's get into it. We will go to my GitHub in the repository which I will pin in the future. Go to macOS 101. So in the day 3, I have edited the package.json in which I will explain what changes I've done. I've already covered on day 1 and day 2 what changes I've done. I will just give you an overview because it's a starter repo and I don't have to explain you much because I'm assuming that you know something about Electron right now. And this is a starter kit in which the version is right now 1.0.1. It is a clip starter kit and you can see if you do npm run release what exactly it does. So let me just search for you. So you can see it removes the release, then it does npm run build production, setting the node invs production, electron builder, mac publish always. So right now this is mac publish always, and after that the same thing which you can see with npm release prepare, it does the version patch, then create a new tag and then push the new tag. And with dist mac, dist win, dist linux, you will get all the code. So this is the code which I wanted to talk about. And after that, if you see how we are doing the macOS notarization and all, so you can see I'm using right now my identity. It is linked to my keychain, and in keychain it is a secure hashed identity. So I can easily upload in packages on, and you can see you to do hardened runtime so that it gets signed, your every file gets signed and it is sent to notarization. So one thing about notarization is that the first application, whichever you are trying to sign or notarize, it will take the longest. It may take up to 8 to 12 hours. So maybe it is because it is your new developer account and Apple takes time to verify whether it is malware free or not. So your first application will take the longest, and after that subsequent libraries, subsequent your application will take less time. So this is how you have to do. You can keep sign ignore if you want. If you don't want, you can remove this line as well. And you can see I'm creating a DMG. For DMG, the subclip starter kit, icon, then Windows, then all, and then we have Windows. The target is 64, and you can see it should be NSIS portable. We are not doing code sign up for Windows and Linux as well, so it will throw an error, but yeah, it's all right. And I will just show you this particular item pushes it into GitHub. So if I just do some GitHub, and you can see it is pushed into my GitHub Prosonic macOS 101, publish auto update true, and release type is release. So you can go to my code base, you can go here in the releases and you will see all the files. So latest Mac YAML, and since it is latest Mac YAML and it is only ARM64, because in the release you have seen that I was only doing npm electron build. So for Windows and all, I have already done. So I will just open my cursor and I will show you the same process. If you do Electron Builder Windows and Electron Builder like Linux, it will do the same thing. So this is the Mac OS 101, and if you go to test one, okay, you didn't find it. Let's see whether I have the release or not. I think I don't have the release anymore. Yep, I don't have the Windows and Linux with me right now, but I can show you the logs whether Windows and Linux was created or not. So you can see Linux was actually created, and you can see packaging Linux, and the architecture is ARM64, and then target is DAB, and it is 64. So I was doing Linux and I was doing Windows, so it works. So if you just do npm run dist Linux, and if you do npm run dist win, it will build all the packages for cross platform. So we have done that particular changes, so you don't have to worry about that, and you can just push this to your GitHub. So this is the ultimate starter repo which I've created for Electron builders who want to build desktop application, and obviously you can customize it because it comes with authentication and all. So you can just watch my day 1 and day 2 videos to really understand what is going behind the scene, and you will be good to. So this is what I wanted to share, and I will see you in the next video with more detailed explanation. So till then, take care and bye.